It's on.
Hi, I'm going to make this video of my installing these bees. I guess I might as well just start right now. Ann, were you going to go back behind the other one there? Behind the other hive? Or do you want to stay up here this close?
I don't know, I just want you to be able to hear.
Okay, basically what I have here showing are 8 bars from the brood chamber that actually goes all the way back to about right here. There are 16 in the brood chamber, but since I'm going to be putting the bees in here for the first time, they feel more secure in a smaller area, so I'm just going to use 8, and even 6 would have been fine. So I'm going to take these out, about half of these, and put them up here for the time being. Notice these, this is what the bees will be starting comb on, and they will make their comb like that. So I'm going to take out 4 of them. Now, when I open this, taking this off, there will be a can in there for the have to use the hive tool. There'll be a can of sugar water, and I'll have to take that out first, and then I'll be able to get to the queen. Now, since these have only, since this queen has only been with these for about 16 hours before I picked them up in northern Indiana, and a couple of hours ago, about 3 hours ago, I'm just going to put her on the bottom, and the bees will release her. If she had been shipped to me and she had been in this with these bees for 2 or 3 days, I would just release her with the bees. But I'm going to have to put her down in the bottom, take her out in a couple of days. Before I bring it all the way out, I want to sort of knock it to knock them off. And then try to keep them from getting out with that. Okay? So I have a couple flying around here right now, and I just want to get the queen out now. So I'm going to knock these down to the bottom. Try to keep them out of my hair while I take out the queen, which is right here. Oh, come on, guys. Stay in there. They really want to get out. Girls, you're in my way. Okay, I'm going to have to use this to try to hold on to that and get her out quickly. Okay, there she is. Be sure she's all right. Yeah, I see her moving around in there. Yeah, she's fine. And I'm going to put her back in the back. First, I want to take off this plug. And that exposes the candy that they will eat to release her. Notice they even started building a comb on her here while she was in transport. Okay, so I'm going to put her where I can see her through my window here and see how she's doing, but I don't want these bees to land on her, so I'm going to knock them back down and then just dump them in there. Okay, let's go without hurting any, hopefully.